KFFH 93.7 North Little Rock, the sound of the Lamb.
You're listening to the all-new The Sound of the Lamb on 93.7 FM.
The inspiration, the education, and information all in one sound. The sound of the Lamb, 93.7 FM. Join Bishop Fred Harris and the Morning Brew live weekday mornings at 8 a.m. on the sound of the Lamb.
Faith comes by hearing, and hearing comes 24/7. The Sound of the Lamb, 93.7 FM.
KFFH-LP 93.7 North Little Rock, the sound of the Lamb. Like us on Facebook and follow us on all social media. The sound of the Lamb.